Do you need help advancing your coding skills? Check out my new program, Code Breakthrough. Code Breakthrough offers hands-on learning with Python and data structures, algorithms, and interview challenges. With a supportive community and regular new content, Code Breakthrough will help you get hired or advance your career. For a limited time launch special, use the link in the description to get 20% off your subscription. See you there! Alright, so you got all these lists, and now you're wondering, what in the world am I supposed to do with them? Well, the very first thing I want to showcase is that lists are mutable. And what that means is we can change them without creating a new one. So to show you this, we're printing my favorite things, and we can change one of the elements. Similar to how you would grab an element with a string using an index, you can do that with a list. So you just say my favorite things, and then inside square brackets we could put a 0 for the first thing. And then you can change that to some other value. So let's put something a little less extreme in here, such as walking, and then we can print this. But maybe you're not convinced. You're not really convinced that that didn't recreate a list behind the scenes. Well, let's go through a way to prove this. We will say print, and then we'll use ID of my favorite things. And then we're going to do that after as well. So just copy that line, paste that here. All right. Run it now and check it out. The two values are exactly the same. So we changed the data and we didn't create a new object in memory. It's still pointing to the same object. Now the items itself, well, the first one is a string, and strings are immutable. So when we changed working out to walking, the actual string was replaced, but the list itself stayed the same. So it's kind of like we had a bucket, right? And this bucket contained our favorite things. We took out working out, we tossed that, and we replaced it with a new item, walking. So that's how you can visualize how the mutability and immutability works when it comes to lists being mutable, but the strings inside of them being immutable. We just replace the items inside. Now another thing similar to strings is that lists, you can get the length of the list. So I can go down here and I can say len and pass in my favorite things. And this is going to return a number. So we will print that just to see what we get. Like so, saving and running, we get 3. So there are 3 elements. And you might look at it and think, I'm counting 4. Working out, 7, Amazon Prime, and Netflix. However, because Amazon Prime and Netflix are combined within one element, another list, that just counts as 1. So we'll be getting more into 2D lists and how to work with them and stuff in this series. But for now, just wanted to show you those 2 primary things, that you can change the data in a list using indexes, and we can get the length of the list using len. Thanks, guys.